guys, in this video we are going to see how to use our hard disk as an NAS. So first of all, we have this router which is of D-Link, which has a USB port. So we need to connect it. We need to connect this router with an HDD or a hard disk. So first of all, we are going to see the configuration. This router is connected via the USB port with the Seagate hard disk. Now we are going to see the iPad configuration. So what you need to do, you need to jump onto 192.168.0.1, which is the router address. So after jumping to this router address, we are going to enable the Samba. What is Samba? Samba is a protocol which allows us to access our hard disk on the go with the connection of a router. So whichever hard disk we have connected to the router via the USB will now be enabled when we enable the Samba server. So after going on to this page, you need to enter your credentials. After entering your credentials, you will be going on to this page. Now what you need to do, you need to go to USB and storage. After going to USB and storage, here you can see there is Samba. Click on this and now go and enable the Samba server. After you enable the Samba server, what happens, you have two options. One is anonymous login, or you can have a user to it. So I have added a user to it. I have created a user with the name of root and some password, and you can also give the read only, write only, or execute only access, as well as you need to enable the directories. You need to add a directory. For example, I have a hard disk connected whose name is USB1_2, which you can click on this add button and click on the search icon. You can find that whichever hard disk is connected. You need to add this hard disk with a name so that whenever you log in onto this server at that moment of time, you would get this hard disk to be accessed. So you are giving here permission to access the hard disk, which is read only. After doing this, what you need to do is just after adding this, you need to go to the basically file manager. So now what we are going to do, now we are going to access the Samba server using our iPad. So to do that, what you need to do, you need to first like the video and don't miss to subscribe the video and also like the video. Then what you need to do, you need to go to files and then you need to click on to connect server. Now here you need to add the server address. So SMB 192.168.0.1 needs to be added. After adding that, when you click on to the login, then you would be prompted with two options, guest and registered user. We will select registered user and type it as root and the password of the user. So the password of the user was given in the previous step where we configured. After doing this, you would be prompted with a Egypt server, because there we have given the name as Egypt server. So now this hard disk can be accessed. Inside this hard disk, we have different folders which can be accessed now on this individual server. Now wherever you are sitting on this router, you can access this hard disk and take your data anywhere. Windows setup we are going to see. So in Windows setup, it is quite different. So what you need to do first is, in Windows, after enabling all those things, you need to go to the search bar and type run. So this is going to run a SMB port. So after going to run //192.168.0.1 and click on OK. So at present, what you are seeing is directly accessing the server, but what you need to do, in between a pop-up will come, which already has come for me. That there you need to enter your credentials, the username as root and the password which you have given. So after doing that, this server would be accessible to you in the Windows as well. So I'm connected to the same server, basically to the same network, which is my D-Link router, where I can access this hard disk from anywhere if I'm connected to this server. In the upcoming videos, we would be giving some voucher codes in between, which you can claim on Paytm or Amazon. So feel free to subscribe and like the video, it supports.